805 drones, dozens of missiles. A government building in Kyiv hit for the first time since the war began. Russia has unleashed its largest aerial assault yet, an attack designed to overwhelm Ukraine's defenses, cripple its infrastructure, and send a brutal message to the West. Tonight, we break down what happened, why it matters, and what comes next. On Sunday morning, Russia fired 805 Shahed drones, some attack drones, some decoys, along with 9 cruise missiles and 4 ballistic missiles. The onslaught killed 4 people, damaged 2 residential towers, and struck Ukraine's Cabinet of Ministers building in central Kyiv, a rare direct hit on a government target. Cities including Kryvyi Rih, Dnipro, Odessa, Zaporizhia, and Kremenchuk also came under fire. Ukraine's air defenses were stretched to the limit. Out of 805 drones, 747 were shot down, a remarkable feat. 4 of the 9 cruise missiles were intercepted. But sheer volume is Russia's new strategy. Throw hundreds of drones at once, overwhelm radar, deplete Ukraine's interceptor stockpiles, and hope something slips through. And this time, some did. This wasn't just another raid, it marked a new record in Russia's drone warfare. The previous high, 539 drones in July. By topping that number, Moscow is sending a chilling message. Ukraine's skies can be flooded, and its defenses can be drained. Analysts say the timing, late summer heading into winter, is deliberate. Russia is once again targeting energy facilities to cripple Ukraine's power grid before freezing weather sets in.
The world can force the Kremlin criminals to stop the killings. All that is needed is political will.
President Volodymyr Zelensky responded with renewed urgency. He warned that Ukraine could run out of interceptors if the West doesn't step up. Kyiv is begging for more air defense systems from the US and Europe. Patriots, Iris-Ts, anything that can shoot down drones faster than Russia can build them. In Washington, President Trump hinted at tougher sanctions, while Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said the US and EU must work together to collapse Russia's war economy. But Europe remains divided. The EU has pledged to ban Russian oil and gas imports by 2028, yet countries like Hungary and Slovakia still rely heavily on them. Meanwhile, Ukraine struck back, reportedly hitting Russia's Druzhba oil pipeline, disrupting supplies to those very countries. Cheap, expendable, and deadly, Iranian-made Shahed drones have become Russia's weapon of choice. They cost as little as $20,000 each, compared to missiles that cost millions. By launching hundreds at a time, Russia forces Ukraine to use expensive interceptors on cheap targets. It's asymmetric warfare at its most brutal, and it's reshaping modern combat.
Putin's version of peace.
European Council President Antonio Costa called the attack Putin's version of peace, urging allies to double down on sanctions and defense aid. Western officials fear that unless they act quickly, Ukraine will be left vulnerable this winter, and Russia's drone swarms will keep growing. 805 drones in one night, 4 lives lost, a government building scarred. This attack proves that the war in Ukraine isn't grinding to a stalemate, it's escalating. The world now faces a choice: arm Ukraine faster, sanction Russia harder, or risk letting Moscow's drone war change the course of this conflict. For now, the skies over Kyiv are a reminder. The future of warfare may be cheap, swarming, and relentless.